Happy summer, LSF babes. This is like my favorite time of year ever. And I know a lot of people like to use summer as a time to sleep in, but not this girl. Like, I want to get up, get all my work done so I can enjoy the long nights and sunset. So I've been like moving, trying to have a morning routine that's like under 45 minutes so that I can get on with my day. So I make the bed super fast. I get my essential oils. I have them going most of the night, but then I switch it over in the morning to the Spa Spirit from Sage Wellness. You guys know I love them. And it's just like these really like light, wonderful smells that are like awakening without being like overpowering. And then before I turn on any lights, I just open up the blinds so that I can get that natural light to help wake me up. And I've been allowing zero time in between waking up and putting on my workout gear because if I let too much time go, it doesn't happen. This outfit is Lululemon. They're one of the first brands I ever bought, and I absolutely love their stuff. And I'm super excited because they're sponsoring this video so I can share my morning routine and some of their new stuff with you guys. Okay, and they came out with a brand new self-care line, which is so cool. This is an aluminum-free spray deodorant, which is amazing and actually works really, really well. And then their balm lip balm, which is so moisturizing. You guys know with my hypo and my dry skin, I need all the help I can get. My lips are always so dry, and this one is really, really awesome. And I'll put links down below for all of these products so you guys can check them out. Then it's time for like a 20-minute app workout. Like, I'm not kidding. 20, 25 minutes max. Like, I just want to push through it. And that's why I love all the workouts in the app, because you really like, you can go at your own pace. So if you need to take 30 minutes, 45, you can, but they're designed so that you can get them done in about 25 minutes, which is just so easy. It's just nice to get it done. And I get to do it in my backyard, which is amazing because we just finished it. It's so cute. Look at the scrunchie game, like real strong today. So I take a little bit of time to stretch, just kind of like let my body relax post-workout. I'm usually like a giant cherry tomato, which, you know, it just happens. But this one wasn't too crazy intense, so not too bad. And then a quick rinse. I don't wash my hair. I just got a blowout yesterday, and I literally had gone 7 days. It was aggressive. But, you know, hypo, dry skin, dry hair kind of can work in your favor sometimes. This cute new summery robe is actually like a beach cover-up. It's from Forever 21. And then I have to tell you guys about this Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer. It's also from the Lululemon line. It's super breathable and weightless. It's a gel, and it really helps like get all of like that flush face, you know, like the cherry tomato face after a workout out of your skin and just like reset your skin. And then their dry shampoo is great too because it's a no-show dry shampoo, so you don't get that chalky look. And I just do a little bit of that to help preserve my blowout and keep my hair fresh. And it doesn't smell like anything too crazy. And then I just realized I've been moving so fast this morning. I totally forgot to take my thyroid medication, so I gotta take that, and I haven't even drinking like any water. So my big old jug, this is when you know you're like busy, but I normally drink this whole jug of water first thing in the morning before I do anything else, but I will do it now. And then you guys have seen these 3 different supplements I've been using since I went off birth control. They really truly have made such a difference in like helping get rid of the toxins from my body, helping balance, and my skin has been so clear. It's kind of crazy. Okay, so now we're like a solid 30-35 minutes into my morning routine. My workout's done, I've showered, I've done all of that stuff. It is like coffee and breakfast time. A lot of times I'll just do coffee with like Vital and stuff for my breakfast, but I have been like making such delicious new breakfasts using PlateJoy. You guys have seen me use this app a ton. I've talked about it a lot because it's just really nice. Like, there's so many cool features. Not only can you do like meal planning, but there's so many ways to like customize your stuff. And this recipe, I was like, oh, that looks like something I make all the time, like berries and oats. Nope. It's so interesting. You'll see why in just a second. Like, yeah, we got oats. I didn't have mixed berries, so I'm just grabbing like frozen blueberries, some almond milk, and just wait for what the next step is. It's crazy. I was like, wait, this is so weird. Because I do savory oats sometimes, and I do sweet oats too, but yeah, that's an egg going into my blueberry oats. What? So weird. But I just mixing it in, whisk it up, and adding the almond milk. I think the really, really cool thing about PlateJoy is that they just make the meals like simpler and easier to do. You can do your meal planning, but they ask you like all of these questions about yourself. Like, look at all of these things so they can really like learn you and learn what makes sense, so they can create meal plans that make sense for your life and are practical. So you're not like, oh, here's these like crazy chef meals that you're never going to be able to make because they're too complicated, or like you only like eat it one time and that's it. So they really get to know you really well. Okay, and then obviously my coffee with my Vital. I put in that yin powder you guys saw and cinnamon. The yin powder just has a lot of good like different things in it to help balance out your hormones and just like natural little supplements. So I like adding that in. It's one of those things, like I don't know if it actually makes a difference or not, but there's no like bad side effects I've noticed, so I feel like I might as well give it a go. And then I've been doing decaf coffee because if you guys watched my Instagram story the other day, I kind of had like a mild like panicky moment having way too much caffeine. So I'm like trying to cut down a bit. Okay, look how good these oats look though. And my creamy coffee. This is a new steamer. I'll link it for you guys. I'm freaking obsessed with it. It's awesome. Yeah, you see those dry lips? That's why I need that balm. Okay, this thing is real good. So that breakfast took me about 5 minutes, like between the oats and my coffee, so fast and easy. And then I have a 5-minute makeup routine. Literally, it takes me 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding you guys. It's so simple. Just a couple of quick products, pull them out, and I'll show you my secret weapon with the mascara. And I'll link all these things below because these are my go-tos during summer, especially to get that like tan, bronze, glowy look. So this is Peter Thomas Roth CC cream. I just put that over. Then you have SPF, a little bronzer on my cheekbones that has a bit of a shimmer to it. And then this little Benefit blush. Come on, Katie. It's a blush. So I'll just put the little blush on, just like the apples of my cheeks, curl my lashes. You guys know I've been growing my real lashes back after getting rid of extensions, and I love it. And this is like a drugstore mascara that has two sides. One's a primer and one is like a waterproof mascara. So I do the primer first, then I do my expensive Urban Decay mascara on top that really is like super like voluminous and makes them like big and bold. And then I do the waterproof one that has like more little like rigid brush bristles to help comb through it and give it that shape. And then just a little nude lip right on top of that gloss. That balm, and I'm good to go. So it's super simple, super basic, about 5 minutes, then we done. That's all I have time for because I want to get my work done so I can go to the beach. But I'm so excited if you guys haven't seen it yet. Guess what time it is? Summer Shape Up time. We are there, our free 8-week challenge. If you've never done a Summer Shape Up challenge with Love Sweat Fitness, you guys, this is the time to do it. It is going to be so much fun. It's totally free. We're going to have brand new videos here on YouTube every single week, brand new workouts, daily workouts for you, a full schedule. You get a printable calendar, and the most insane grand prize we've ever done. I'm going to be announcing it later this week, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel because you are not going to want to miss it. Comment below, let me know what you guys want to see in my summer night routine, and don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. Bye.